Hello everyone, I'm Danny, a digital illustrator and an owner of a small digital business, and on this channel I'm sharing with you this adventure. Last year I drew these plant illustrations, and this year, following my dream of creating more cute products, they have inspired me to create some cute and inspiring coloring pages. And today I want to share with you my step-by-step creative process to create this new product that I'm very excited about. But before I continue, I'll quickly tell you why I have been a bit lost on social media. I am pregnant with twins. I had a lot of symptoms during the first trimester, including being constantly tired. But now that I'm in my second trimester, I am starting to feel better and I have more energy to get back to my pending tasks and projects for my channel and my store. So with this quick news, I am glad you're here, and now back to the video. Before starting the artistic part, I am going to create a project plan to create my coloring pages. For this, I'm going to create a board in Milanote where I will post all the product details, including images of my illustrations, phrases, details, and step-by-step instructions for what I want to do. My first step is to choose from my favorite illustrations the ones that seem perfect for the pages according to the idea that I have in mind. Along with the illustrations, I want to add beautiful and inspiring quotes that will make you smile and motivate you throughout your day when you see the finished page. To do this, I go to Pinterest to get ideas for quotes that are also related to the plant theme. I save the ones that catch my attention to a board so I can choose my favorites and add them to my plan. Now, to keep the details of my new product clear and as reference for more coloring pages later, I write my product description here. In this case, I want the size of my pages to be 8.5 by 11 inches or 21 by 28 centimeters, which is the size of a letter size page. I also write down my to-do list, which includes creating basic sketches for each page, refining the final sketch, creating a decorative border for the pages, downloading the pages as PDF, preparing the product to upload to my store, promoting the product on social media, and decide how I want to launch this new product in my digital store. I'm still not sure if I want to launch the product individually and include a surprise with each purchase or give you a special discount code. My other option is to launch several products in my store on a special date, which I have never done before. To stay on top of these details, I recommend signing up for my new newsletter for my international store so you don't miss any details, discounts, launches, and news I have for you from now on. You can find the link to my newsletter below or in my Instagram account. To finalize my plan, I'm writing down my ideas for my social media accounts, where I plan to post several reels and posts. First, to promote and spread the word about this new product in different ways, and second, to restart and reactivate my accounts due to the fact that I have been a little bit absent. Later, when I publish the reels and posts, I will post them here for future reference. And that's how my plan for this new digital product looks. You cannot deny that the planning part isn't one of the most fun and exciting. Now, let's get to work. The first thing I do is create the canvas with the specifications I mentioned earlier and wrote on my board. An 8.5-inch wide by 11-inch high canvas. I don't change the other details of the canvas. I start by drawing 3 different borders for my coloring pages, 1 more detailed and 2 simpler ones. I end up saving 2 to choose later when I have my sketches. For my first coloring page, I choose an illustration I made of a gardener and copy the basic sketch to a new canvas in Procreate. I also choose one of the quotes from my inspiration board to add. In this case, I chose, "I am not a regular lady, I'm a plant lady." To write the quote, I chose a bold font, as I want the letters to be able to be colored as well. At this point, I feel the drawing is very simple, so I look among my other illustrations for different plants to add leaves to the character's background. And then I continue arranging the phrase and adding more details. Now that we have the sketch, I choose a monoline brush, meaning it doesn't change depending on how much pressure I apply to my pencil while drawing. The features of this brush I have modified are the streamline, which is at 100%, and the stabilization, which is at 80%. These brush features help me make my lines more stable when drawing. Next, I choose the brush size and immediately begin outlining the entire sketch in a dark gray to create the final drawing. And this is how our first page of coloring pages looks. Off camera, I continue creating the other coloring pages along with the cover, as if it were a complete mini book to download to your computer and print. And here I show you the cover now in color. I'm also showing you the uncolored cover page, although I don't think I'll include this one in the final pages. The next page is simple, but here you can test your colors and even add the names of each one to reference when you're coloring. And finally, I'm showing you the 5 digital pages of the mini coloring book. Now it is time to do the test print. For printing, I use the premium 32 HP paper. This paper is perfect for printing your special projects on a paper that is much thicker than regular paper, and it's 32 pounds or 120 grams thick. I also use my Canon Pixma IP8750 printer, which is one of the most recommended by other accounts. And it also prints in different sizes up to a maximum size of A3+, which in centimeters is 33 by 48. You can find the link for this and other products I use in the video description below if you're curious and want to learn more about them. And this is how this mini digital coloring book of plants with cute illustrations and inspiring quote looks. What do you think of the final result? Don't forget, if you want to be one of the first to know when this and other products are released, subscribe to my newsletter and you won't miss a single detail. Thank you for watching this far. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!